Dictation will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Education is often thought of only in terms of classrooms, textbooks, and examinations. However, true education is not limited to academic learning alone. It is a process of overall development, physical, mental, and moral. In this wider sense, sports play an equally important role in shaping a student's personality. The inclusion of sports in education is not a luxury but a necessity, for it nurtures qualities that cannot be acquired through books alone. Sports provide a vital balance to the academic pressures of school life. Long hours of study can tire the mind and reduce concentration. Engaging in physical activity refreshes the brain, improves blood circulation, and restores energy. A student who participates in games often returns to studies with renewed focus. Medical research confirms that regular exercise boosts memory and learning capacity. Thus, far from being a distraction, sports are an aid to academic achievement. Equally important is the role of sports in building discipline. To succeed in any game, a student must follow rules, respect decisions, and control emotions. These habits, once learned on the playground, carry over into everyday life. A disciplined student submits work on time, respects teachers, and maintains order in thought and action. Discipline is the backbone of success in any field, and sports provide the perfect training ground for it. Team spirit is another valuable lesson imparted by sports. Games like football, cricket, or hockey demand cooperation and coordination. No individual, however skilled, can win without the support of teammates. Students learn to sacrifice personal glory for the collective good, to support each other in moments of difficulty, and to celebrate victories together. Such lessons of cooperation are essential for life in a community, workplace, or nation. Sports also teach the art of handling success and failure with grace. A student may win today and lose tomorrow. Instead of giving up, the player learns to accept defeat with humility and to try harder next time. This resilience is vital in life, where failures are inevitable. The courage to rise after a fall, to keep trying despite setbacks, is one of the greatest lessons sports can teach. Physical fitness is another important benefit. In an age where sedentary habits, unhealthy diets, and screen addiction are common, sports ensure that children remain active and strong. Sports also build leadership qualities. Captaining a team requires decision making, motivating others, and taking responsibility for outcomes. These skills, developed on the field, prepare students for future roles as leaders in society, business, or politics. Even ordinary participants learn initiative and self-confidence, qualities that serve them throughout life. From a national perspective, sports in education have immense value. They help identify young talent at an early stage, which can be nurtured for professional excellence. A country with strong school-level sports can produce champions who bring pride and recognition at international competitions. Unfortunately, in many schools, sports are treated as secondary. Pressure to secure high marks, lack of playgrounds, and shortage of trained physical education teachers often push games to the background. This is a short-sighted approach. While academic performance is important, it should not come at the cost of physical and mental well-being. Parents and teachers must realize that sports and studies are not enemies but allies. A child who enjoys both is more likely to succeed in life. Governments and educational institutions have a duty to promote sports in schools. Playgrounds should be developed. Sports equipment should be provided, and physical education should be given the same respect as mathematics or science. Competitions, both at local and national levels, should be encouraged, not merely for the sake of prizes, but to inculcate healthy rivalry and a spirit of excellence. Scholarships and career opportunities in sports can also motivate students to take games seriously. It is also important to broaden the definition of sports. Not every child may excel in cricket or football. Some may shine in athletics, badminton, swimming, or even traditional games. Schools should encourage variety, giving every student a chance to discover his or her talent. Inclusiveness in sports ensures that no child feels left out. Moreover, sports can be linked with moral education. The values of honesty, fair play, respect for opponents, and obedience to rules are deeply embedded in games. A student who cheats in sports soon realizes that victory without fairness brings no satisfaction. Such lessons, once internalized, prepare young people to become honest citizens. In conclusion, the importance of sports in education cannot be overstated. They are not an optional activity but an integral part of holistic learning. Sports complement studies, improve health, build character, and prepare individuals to face the challenges of life with confidence. As we aim to build a society of capable, disciplined, and healthy citizens, we must ensure that every child receives the gift of sports along with the gift of knowledge.